Whoa. Okay, there's a... Whoa.
Oh, that one lit up the reader though.
Whoa!
Yeah, you're moving the camera after they've struck. You just gotta pick a direction.
I can't move at the speed of light, jackass.
No, you just gotta commit to a section.
Shut up. I can zoom out and get a wider look.
That's funny. I replied to Joey saying, "Oh yeah, we're getting some cool storms soon. I can feel it in my gut." Sending some of these videos.
Well, when I get home, I'm just gonna edit this and put it on YouTube. Put it on my channel. Because of shit like that. What the hell was that?
Makes Joey awake. He doesn't sleep.
He's on night shift.
Oh.
Oh my god. I got it. Nerd. Ooh. Yeah, the amount of forest fires around here is gonna be fucking wicked.
Oh, that one's none of us.
Imagine it strikes like right there. Oh my god! That's awesome. Yeah, it's just non-stop. Oh my god, that one was good. I got a cool screenshot of that one.
Yeah, it's all starting to move southeast.
Southeast? Oh yeah, I see. There's a bit on 63 direct. Like literally on the side of 63. So if we had to Gregoire, we could actually probably get some direct lightning. Come on, it'd be fun. Because that's what this shit's hitting, is Gregoire. The airport's been hit already like 6 times. Yeah, that one there, that probably just hit the airport. Where's the tornadoes at? That's the real question. We need tornadoes.
If we went up to Gregoire, I feel like by the time we find a spot with the least amount of like pollution groups, it would be far enough away.
Yeah, I'm gonna pause this.
A live photo feature because I can get a picture right after it. It's just-
Okay, I started recording just in time. Nerds.
Like if I go through and look
I could honestly back up and get a wider shot from where it's dark. Right from where it's dark. Lightning strikes have been detected nearby. Yeah, no shit. Air quality warning. Even better. Doesn't look too bad. Yeah, there's some to the direct south. Yeah, that's why I moved away. That's a highway right above me there, so. Ah, thunder.